How to make money selling your photos online. Fancy making your bank account as full as your camera roll? If, like us, you can't resist a good photo op, think less pouts and more pounds by cashing in on your digital photos. Essential equipment for photography. Before you can start making money from selling your photos online, it's important to get good photography equipment. But, as we said earlier, you don't have to spend a fortune on a fancy camera to sell your images. If you've got a DSLR camera, or fancy getting one for a steal, you'll have more options for selling photos to stock libraries, to sites for prints, or for print-on-demand products. This is because digital cameras will generally produce higher resolution images. 5 free examples of photo editing software. Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop are industry leaders in photo editing. But, even with the Adobe student discount, they come with quite hefty prices. Instead, we recommend you try these free photo editing software programs first. Raw Therapy is a Lightroom-like editor with loads of tools for tweaking colors, curves and more. Pixlr is a convincing alternative to Photoshop, and even recognizes the same shortcuts. You can run it straight from a browser or through the app for free. GIMP can do much of what Photoshop excels at, though some users reckon it's a tougher learning curve. There are loads of phone editing apps to be had for free or a few pence, but Snapseed, for iPhone and Android, consistently makes the best of lists. Don't forget the pre-installed image software on your computer, phone or laptop. Most can make light work of the basics. How to sell photos online through stock libraries. Stock libraries buy and sell digital photos to use on websites, in books, on products and even in ads, with the photographer getting a cut of the sale each time. Selling photos through a stock site is a great way to surf passive income ideas. You can upload a photo once and sell it over and over again, pretty much forever. You may have to submit a selection of pics, and be accepted, before you can become a contributor to an online stock photo library. After that, some sites will continue reviewing all your submissions, and will happily bounce any that they think don't meet their standards. This means you'll always need to be on the ball about picking your best shots. Don't get too hung up about rejections, though. Join multiple stock image sites and post pics to all of them to get the best possible coverage. Best websites to sell your photos online. 1. Alamy. 2. Pickfair. 3. IM. 4. Fope. 5. Dreamstime. 6. Getty Images. 7. Shutterstock. Tips to make extra money selling stock photos. Here are the best ways to make more money selling stock photos online. Upload quality images to multiple stock photo sites. Include people in your photos, but it's worth noting that anyone you pap may need to sign a model release form to say they're okay with you using it. Your stock library will have template forms you can print, sign and submit. Check the T&Cs before selling photos to stock image sites, including when you'll be paid, how much and in what currency. Also, find out what happens to your photos if you want to cancel your account later on. You may find that you could make more money by selling to a different stock library. Sign up for contributor newsletters from stock photo sites for insights into what pictures are in demand and how to improve your camera and editing skills. Use relevant keywords when uploading photos to stock images sites, as this will help more people find and buy them.